Welcome back to our educational series on management of urological cancers. Today, the topic for discussion is frozen section and how does it help in preserving an organ which has been diagnosed with cancer. My name is Dr. Mohan Keshavamurthy, Director of Urology and Uro-Oncology, Fortis Hospitals, Bangalore. I have with me Dr. Kunal Sharma, Head of Oncopathology and Flow Cytometry, SRL Reference Lab, Fortis Bannerghatta Road, Bangalore. Dr. Kunal, welcome.
Thank you, sir.
What is frozen section and how does it help a clinician in managing his cases?
So, frozen section, which is technically called as cryosection, is a technique in pathological evaluation in intraoperative consultations in which a fresh tissue is frozen to about -20 to -30 degrees Celsius using a cryostat, and then the water which is present inside the tissues, it gets frozen to form ice, which is then used as the embedding medium. These tissues are then cut using a microtome, and these are stained with H&E stains, and then these are used for rapid pathological evaluation. This whole process takes about 10 minutes of time, and the utility of this technique is predominantly in fields of oncology and in fields of enzyme studies. This differs from the routine pathology in the sense that usually for routine histopathological evaluations, we use formalin fixed paraffin embedded blocks. The preparation from slides in these blocks takes about 16 hours, and when we compare that to the frozen section, it is a very fast and a rapid pathological evaluation technique which is available to us in about 10 minutes.
So it's a fast, effective way of diagnosing whether a cancer has been completely removed or whether there is a need to remove further pieces of the tissue prior to confirming whether we have been able to do a curative resection. Now a more specific question. I'm doing a partial nephrectomy. I want to spare as much kidney as possible. I've sent a piece of tissue intraoperatively from the robotic operative room. How long will it take to give me an answer? And what questions will be answered by you which a clinician would want, specific to say a partial nephrectomy?
So essentially the report of a frozen section is available in 15 to 20 minutes. The usual answers that a frozen section answers are whether a neoplasm is benign or is it malignant, and what is the margin status of that neoplasm, whether the margin is involved, in which case it needs revision of the margins, or whether the margin is free from tumor. It can also be used for other purposes, for example, to know whether ganglion cells are present or absent in a case of Hirschsprung's disease, and also for enzyme studies in case of muscle biopsies.
Excellent. So the take-home message is when we want to spare as much organ as possible in a cancer of a kidney or in similar pathologies in urological cancers, frozen section and a drop-down ultrasound probe are the two mechanisms or methods in which maximum amount of normal tissue can be spared. Thank you.